Welcome to the introductory video of the course. From now on, I am starting a complete course on ethical hacking, and most importantly, it will be free of cost. You can ask any question in comment section or any videos you want on any topic related to this course. I will do it for you. And I hope you will like this course and will praise my effort by subscribing to my channel and sharing videos so more people get benefit of this course. So without further delay, let's start the course. So before start hacking, you should know the basic term used in hacking. Now what is hacking? Hacking is an act of finding the possible entry points that exist in a computer system or a computer network and finally entering into them. Hacking generally refers to unauthorized intrusion into a computer or a network. Sometimes it is done to harm the system or to steal sensitive information available on the computer. A person involved in hacking activities is a hacker. Hacker finds the weaknesses in the system to gain access. Sometimes the purpose is to do pen testing and finding vulnerabilities to make system more secure, but sometimes hacker gain access to damage the system. A hacker is not a normal person. Hacker always thinks outside the box. Hacker is more than just a login, logout user. Hacker always thinks critically. How the system works, which ports are open, etc. Hacking is not always illegal and all hackers are not criminal. As there are a lot of companies who pay millions of dollars to ethical hackers to find vulnerabilities in the system and secure them. So now let's move to types of hackers. The well-known types of hackers are white hat hackers, black hat hackers, and grey hat hackers. I will briefly explain who are they and what they do. Let's talk about white hat hackers. A white hat hacker is a computer security specialist who breaks into protected systems and networks to test and assess their security. White hat hackers use their skills to improve security by exposing vulnerabilities before malicious hackers can detect and exploit them. Although the methods used by both are the same, but the difference is white hat hackers has permission to employ them against organization. However, black hat hackers do not use them officially or with the permission of the owners. Black hat hackers. The term black hat hacker is derived from old western movies in which the good guys wore white hats and the bad guys wore black hats. Black hat hacker is a person who attempts to find computer security weaknesses and vulnerabilities and exploit them for personal financial gain or other malicious reasons. This differs them from white hat hackers. Black hat hackers can inflict major damage on individual computer users as well as large organizations by stealing personal financial information, compromising the security of the major system, or shutting down or altering the function of websites and networks. Grey hat hackers. They act according to situation as white or black hat hackers. The grey hat hackers do not act with malicious intent, but they do it for their fun. They exploit a security weakness in a computer system or network without the owner's permission. Their intent is to bring the weakness to the attention of the owners, not using the weakness or the vulnerability of the system for their personal gain. And then they get appreciation in terms of some reward from the owners. Red hat hackers are again a blend of both black hat and white hat hackers. They usually on the level of hacking government agencies, top secret information hubs, and generally anything that falls under the category of sensitive information. Blue hat hackers. A blue hat hacker is someone who is used to bug test a system prior to its launch. They look for loopholes that can be exploited and try to close these gaps. Microsoft also uses the term blue hat to represent a series of security briefing events. Script kiddie. A script kiddie is a non-expert who breaks into computer systems by using pre-packaged automated tools written by others. They have Nothing to do with the tool's code or how commands in the tools are working. They just download the tools and use them. A neophyte. A neophyte is someone who is new to hacking or phreaking and has almost no knowledge or experience of the workings of the technology and hacking. Not but not the least, hacktivist. A hacktivist is a hacker who utilizes technology to announce a social, ideological, religious, or political message. In general, most activism involves website defacement or denial of service attacks. I hope you have now understand all types of hackers and which category you fall till now. In next video, I will help you to set up lab for hacking. Till then, goodbye and cheers.